In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to Zapier for Gemini AI automation. First, sign in to your Google AI Studio account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click Get API Key. Then choose Create API Key. Enter a name for the key so you can identify it later. After that, select an existing Google project or create a new one if needed. Click Create Key and then copy the generated key. You will use this to connect Google AI Studio with Zapier. Next, sign into your Zapier account. From your dashboard, click Create and select Zap. This will open a new automation workflow. Start by adding your trigger. Choose the app you want to use to begin the automation. Then configure the trigger based on your workflow. This could be something like a new form submission, a new email, or a new row in a spreadsheet. Once the trigger is set up, test it to make sure Zapier is pulling in the correct sample data. Then continue to the next step. Now add an action step. Click Action and search for Google AI Studio or Gemini. When it appears in the app list, select the Google AI Studio app. For the action event, choose an option such as conversation, depending on the type of response you want the AI to generate. Zapier will then ask you to connect an account. Click Connect a new account and paste in your Google AI Studio API key. Approve the connection and continue. Once the account is connected, move on to the action setup. Here, choose the Gemini model you want to use. Then enter your system instructions. These instructions tell the model how to behave and what kind of output you want. After that, enter your main prompt in the message field. If your automation needs to use data from the trigger step, insert that data directly into the prompt. This allows Gemini to respond based on the information coming into your Zapier. When everything is filled in, click Continue. Then click Test Step to run the action and check the output. Review the results carefully to make sure the AI response looks correct and matches your workflow. If the test is successful, click Publish to activate the Zap. After publishing, confirm that the Zap is turned on and active. Your Google AI Studio and Zapier automation is now live and ready to run. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.